Good day guys, welcome to Crypto Surgeon. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. On today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to withdraw money using the Binance P2p. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First, you are going to go into your wallet and make sure you have converted the money to USDT. Like I have mine on USDT right now. I want to withdraw 118 USDT. So you convert it from whatever coin you have or you sell it to USDT. Then you will click on transfer here. And then you are going to be sending from funding spot wallet to funding wallet. For some of you might be seeing P2P wallet to spot wallet. Funding wallet and P2P wallet are the same thing. So if you have not updated your app, you'll still be seeing P2P wallet. So we're going to be sending from spot wallet, which is our normal trading wallet, to funding wallet, which is our P2P wallet. And we're going to tap currency while sending, which is USDT. I will tap on it. Amount, I have it here under here below, is showing you the available amount of USDT you have. So, and it's all I want to withdraw, so I'm going to tap on max. But if I want to withdraw a certain amount, I can type here and type 50 USDT. That is if I want to withdraw 50, but I'm going to tap on max because I want to withdraw all. Then I'll click on confirm transaction, and transaction successful. It has already been sent. If you check, like, USDT is no longer showing here, which means I don't have any money on USDT again. If I tap on funding wallet, you will see it. Look at it here, $118 showing up here. Now this is what you can use the funding wallet for. Look at it here showing also. You can use the funding wallet for P2P, you can use it to pay, and you can use it for gift cards. This is all what you can use the funding wallet for. So I'm going to tap on P2P, and it will bring out the P2P interface on me. If your currency is not on Nigeria, you can tap here and change it back to Nigeria from whatever currency it is on, because the P2P want to sell to NGN, to Naira, so like to give us Naira market, because we are withdrawing to Naira because I'm in Nigeria. Then this is the buy orders. These are the adverts for buy, and these are the adverts for sell. And so because I want to sell, I'm going to come on sell. If you're a first time user of P2P, you have to come to profile here, and then you add payments, click payment method and tap on add payment method. But since this is not my first time, so I already have a payment method added here. That's why you can see. So I'm no longer going to add because I'm just going to use that payment method. But if you are a newcomer, you tap on that and add payment method. So I'm going to go back to home. Now it's on USDT because I want to sell USDT. If you want to sell BTC, you tap on BTC, BUSD, whatever you want to sell. But because it's USDT, I want to sell, so I'll tap on USDT. So now these are all the various ads. You can filter through them to select the one that best suits for you. And I want to sell about 118. $100 is about 55,000. So I think I'm looking for ads that is about 50,000 above. So because this one, the limit is 6 million above, so I can't fit in. This is also 5 million. This is 4.5. So I'm going to look for 50,000 above at least. All what I'm seeing here. Okay, this is 1,000 above 500,000. Wow. This is 100,000. Sorry for that. Okay. Now look at the first one I'm coming across. At least this is $55,100 to 55,000. So I can't fit into it because I want to withdraw more than $100. I want to withdraw 118. so I can't fit into it. So keep searching. There seems to just be like a whole lot of big traders currently in the market. 70,000 to 120,000. Damn, I'm not seeing. Let me filter through it. Okay, so if I want to filter through it, I'll just tap on this button here to filter. It's on all payments, so let me tap on bank transfer so that will show me only bank transfer. Then enter amount, let's say 50,000. Then yes, and as you can see, it has filtered through it and giving me what I'm looking for instead of scrolling through 1,000 adverts. So you just use the filter to edit whatever you want. You select bank transfer or whatever method you want to use. You can tap on all to see all the whole payment method. You select whichever one you want to use. Then here you put the amount and tap on yes. It will show you ads. So I think I have yes 25,000 to 200,000. I fit into this guy's sell order. This guy fit into what my amount, the price, that is the amount of money I have to sell. Okay, so but this guy is not a verified trader, but he's a trusted trader because if you look up here he has done 288 trades and he has 96.85% percentage of completed trades, which is a good percentage, so we can as well trade with him. This guy down here below is a verified trader. That's why you're seeing this verified sign in front of his name. He has done 98% and his own is 50,000 too. So that is it. But this guy's rate is a bit higher than his own. So I think I will just use this guy. Well, I'm going to use this guy. But also, if you don't want to filter through all the whole ads, you can tap on this P2P here and tap on Express. What Express means is that Binance will do all the filtering for you, so you will not go through the stress of searching for advertisement that best fit into your description and all that. So here you just tap on the currency you want, which is USDT. Tap on sell and it's showing you available 118. If I tap on max, then I'll tap on sell with zero fees. If I tap on sell with zero fees, it will confirm that this is how much I'll receive, 65,000 naira and all that. So if I click on confirm now, the sell will go through. So that is all that. This one, Binance will do everything for you. You don't need to stress yourself. Sorry. So but if I want to search for the ads myself, I'll be going through all these. Okay, like you can see this guy. So let's say we tap on this guy because I want to select the best rate. Then tap on here, it will show like this, enter quantity. You tap on all here and it will show you how much I receive. Here I receive 66,000 naira, and at the other place, at the Express, I'll receive 65,000 naira. So I think I'm going to go with this. Then payment method, I tap on it, touch my payment method which I'm selected. Then one thing, before you carry on with any ad, read the person's description, details, so that you will get his instruction. I don't think this guy wrote any instruction here, so he's just using the normal basic instruction. But some people write instruction that they charge so 100 naira for bank fees. Some will write that they pay to only specific banks. So make sure you read through the instructions before proceeding any trade. If you read anybody's instruction and it doesn't fit or you are not comfortable with it, you will leave it and find another trader, so that to avoid stories at the end of the transaction or later on in the transaction. So this one, I'm going to tap on sell with 0 fees here. And normally if you tap on sell like this, you will also see the guy's instruction down here, but this is the only instruction. The guy has no instruction. This is the only thing he wrote. When selling crypto, the crypto you sell get locked. Okay, this is just the Binance. The guy didn't put any instruction. So now we're going to wait for the guy to confirm payment, to send the money. After he sends the money, this confirmed receipt will not be available until he marks the trade as paid. That is when this button will be available for us. So up here we can also chat him up. You can also, and this is all these Binance instructions: do not release crypto until you have confirmed the money has arrived. These are Binance instructions, so you make sure you follow them. You can chat him up here like, hi, are you online? And you can also call. If you want to call him, you tap on this call button up here. You can call him up. But we're going to wait for these 2 minutes here to run down, because this is the time which they are giving the guy to pay. So if the person is not online, the transaction will, when the time counts down, the transaction will cancel automatically. Like now, he has clicked that he has paid. Look at, and they'll send you a text: the buyer has marked the P2P order as paid. What is this is telling me? That the guy now has clicked that he has paid me. So don't confirm first. Look at the confirm receipt. The button is already live, but don't confirm. Don't click on confirm yet. Make sure you check your account. Let the money be in your account. Even if you get a text alert, normal alert on that is text message alert, still go and confirm on your bank app that the money is actually there before you confirm the transaction. So now this guy has marked. So look at the Binance instruction. Please check the following account and confirm the receipt of the payment from the buyer, Ibrahim Abbas. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go, just leave it here or go back so that you not do mistake and confirm it. If you want to come back to your order, you can tap on orders here and you see it, your open order. So you just go back so that you avoid clicking confirm by mistake, and go and confirm it. Like now, I have seen the transaction notification, but I need to go and confirm it on my bank app to be sure. So I need to open my bank app. Yes, and the guy really transferred it. Look at it, Ibrahim Abbas, 66,000 naira. So the money is actually in my account. The money is actually in my account, 66,000 naira. So now I can comfortably confirm the transaction. So I'll go back to my p2p platform and then tap on here, tap on this and then click confirm, and it will show please log in please be sure to login the receiving, e.g. bank, e-wallet, account to confirm. They're just telling you the same thing. Then you click I have confirmed the payment here. Then you click on confirm, and then I will request for my two-factor authentication. Then I will now put it in, submit, done. The transaction is done. Normally, if you that express I was showing you, if you click on the buy with zero fees, it will bring you to the interface where you will see the buyer's instruction, where you can message him or call him. That's where to carry you to immediately, and Binance will sort out everything for you. But since I used it, it's just almost the same thing. So order complete, no problem, nothing. So this is how easy it is to use the Binance P2P to withdraw. Now, thank you very much for watching, and please do like and subscribe for more videos about crypto and how to profit from the crypto markets. Have a nice day, everyone.